Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at two very useful custom field types, Dropdown and Multiselector. These fields are especially handy when you want to standardize data input and give users a set of predefined choices instead of free text. A dropdown is designed to present a fixed list of values, and the user can select only one value from it. This ensures consistency in the data and prevents manual errors like typos. The multi-selector works a little differently. Instead of limiting you to one choice, it allows you to select multiple values from the same list. This is particularly useful when a record might fall under more than one category or have overlapping use cases. Now, let me show you how these work in an actual object. On the left-hand side of the Field Settings panel, you can see the fields we're going to focus on today, Dropdown and Multiselector. Let's look at two sample fields we created. The first one is a dropdown field called Lead Status. Here I entered the values that should appear in the dropdown: new, contacted, qualified, disqualified, demo completed. You can add more options here just by entering the value and pressing the Enter key. In the object, this is how a dropdown field reflects. You will see the exact list that we configured and will be able to pick only one option. For example, for this particular record, I'm selecting the value, qualified. You can see that I'm restricted to selecting only one value from the dropdown. Let's see some other use cases of the dropdown field type, like Category and Tickets object, whose values include technical issue, billing/payment, account management, and so on. Now let's take a look at the multi-selector field we configured called Use Cases. Here, you can see the values I configured like inbound call routing, click-to-call, call tracking and analytics, toll-free, virtual numbers, call recording and monitoring, WhatsApp/SMS integration, and so on. Here too, you can add more values by entering the value here and pressing the Enter key. Now let's see how this field reflects in the Objects panel. The multi-selector field, Use Cases, is displayed in the same format as a dropdown. Since this is a multi-selector, the user can select multiple values if needed, instead of being restricted to just one. For example, for this record, I'm selecting inbound call routing, WhatsApp/SMS integration, and predictive dialer. Some other use cases for the multi-selector field type are Tags and Tickets object, where values are bug/error, feature request, general query, etc. So that wraps up our walkthrough of dropdown and multi-selector fields. Both dropdown and multi-selector fields make data entry consistent, reliable, and much easier to manage your objects.